He rare kei roto nei he rongoā no te ao Māori e takoto ana me te poi hoki e tahi o ngā āhuatanga kuutaina nei e ngā tauira o te kura kāpehu whetū i whangārei ki runga i ngā mākete hoko hoko. Kia whea ko ai rātou i te ao o te rakahinonga. Hei tā ngā kaiako i enei tauira tino tere rawa atu nei te hokotanga o enei taonga nei kia pau. Anei rā a Harata Brown.
My poi brings smiles to other people's faces, especially children.
Koi nei ngā kohinga taonga e tuku nei e ngā ākonga ki te ao.
Seeing the development of it from being this to becoming something you can actually play with and enjoy. I really wanted to find a fun way to spread my culture and the tikanga around it, and I thought the best way would be poi. Everyone loved poi.
Ko haka tuku iho te kamupene hoko poi.
My poi are customisable. You can change the colour of the tauta, which is the rope, and the awe pom-pom. So it's more personal to you. With it, I'll also be selling a card with tikanga around it and the different names of the different parts of the poi.
All the tea can be extracted, yeah.
Ko sweet and natural ngā kai tunurare.
You see the tea start to change colour, we add our sugar and gelatin.
Feijoa mixed with kaakaua, raspberry mixed with kaakaua, and then we have lemon and manuka, honey and lemon mixed with komaraho, and then blackberry with our komaraho. And those are our 4 flavours for now.
Like rongoā infused Māori lollies, but we tried to do it in a nicer way because rongoā are known to be a bit on the yuck side.
Hei tā tēnei kai ako he akoranga kei roto i te waihanga pakihi me te hoko taonga ki te ao.
The fact that they can actually start running a business now as young person so that they can carry on if they wish to as a way of supporting them for further study if they want to, or actually carrying it out as a business, as a career.
Me te wawata, ai nei kai rakahinonga.
Or we know that in the native markets are just down the road, and we know that they'll be happy to have our product. So from in the native markets to maybe a bigger place like the warehouse or supermarkets.
They can do that in the future. It's not just something that they're doing here at school. It's in a real context. You know, they can see that it's something that they could carry on without beyond the kura.
Ai marika ko te kapu o te ao kei roto i o kautau ringaringa. Harata Brown, Te Karere.